Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today's I'm gonna show you 5 Windows computer important tricks. So let's start. First is Bitlocker. If you want to lock any drive with password, no one can open it, so you can use Bitlocker. Simply go to this PC, select your drive, right click on it and select Turn Bitlocker on. Here you can put the password, but you have to remember this password always. Let's jump on to the next tips. Suppose you have to put emoji at the time of writing anywhere, maybe in Microsoft Word or Notepad or on any website. You can do this by doing small tricks. Go to your keyboard, press Window key plus semicolon. Now you can select whatever emoji you want. Let's jump on to the next tips. If you are creating new folder frequently, then you can open it by doing small tricks. Go to your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. In this way you can create new folder frequently. Let's jump on to the next tips. Suppose if you have to copy a sentence from the website from different paragraphs and paste it together in Microsoft Word, so you can use Clipboard. Go to your keyboard, press Window key plus V. Clipboard will pop up on the side. Now in this way you copy the content from everywhere, open the word and paste it together. Let's jump on to the next tips. If you want to take screenshot, go to your keyboard, press Window key plus Shift plus S. Now select full screen snip from here. You can see here your screenshot is showing. So guys, tell me how did you like this video in comment and like and share it. Assalamu alaikum.